All right, let's take a look at number 28 in chapter 25. The software gives the chi-square statistic of chi-square equals 325.459 for this table. From the table of critical values, we can say that the p-value is, so what you'll do is you'll take a look at table D in your book. You'll need the degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom is our number of rows minus 1 times number of columns minus 1. We have 2 columns. C is 2. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So R is 4. 1 less than 4 is 3. 1 less than 2 is 1. So we have a degrees of freedom of 3. So you'll go to your table D, you'll find degrees of freedom 3, and you'll read across the column, the row. Across the row, you'll find the largest chi-square value. The values in the body of the table are the chi-square values. So you'll find the highest value of chi-square, which is around 17. And at the top of that column, where you find a chi-square value, you'll also find a p-value listed at the top in a dark blue. The p-value for the largest chi-square listed in the degrees of freedom 3 is 0.0005. And since this chi-square is smaller than ours, then we know our chi-square is getting larger. As chi-square gets larger, if you read across the blue row at the top, which are p-values, you'll see that the p-value is getting smaller. So as chi-square gets larger, p-value gets smaller. So we are actually less than that 0.0005 that's listed in table D.